People say, I sought forgiveness from a sin, but somehow I fell back into it. What do I do now? Seek forgiveness again. Well, I sought forgiveness a second time and I fell into it again. What do I do now? Seek forgiveness a third time. I sought forgiveness a third time and I fell into it again. What do I do now? A fourth time and continue. Subhanallah. It becomes irritating for us to mention it like this, but it's never irritating for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For as long as you are genuine and sincere, you know, when you seek forgiveness, you don't say, Ya Allah, I committed this sin. I regret it, I admit it, I seek your forgiveness, and you know what? I'm not going to do it again. But I might just do it again. No, there's a possibility, but oh Allah, I know you're merciful. No, you need to be strong, very powerful. Say, oh Allah, I'm not going to do it again. And keep on praying to Allah. Can I teach you a prayer that you need to continuously make in order for you to be protected from sin? Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramika waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. Allahumma ikfini bihalalika an haramik waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. Keep on repeating this. It means, oh Allah, let me be content with what is halal so that I don't go into haram. Let the halal be sufficient for me so that I don't go into haram. That's a powerful dua. Allah will make you content with what is halal so that you don't look towards haram. Whether it is your spouse, whether it is your wealth, whether it is something you'd like to achieve, Allah makes you happy with that which is permissible, that which is halal, so that you don't go into that which is haram. And then the second part of it is وَغْنِنِي بِفَضْلِكَ عَمَّنْ سِوَاكَ. Oh Allah, make me independent through your virtue so that I don't have to depend on anyone else. Subhanallah. For my wealth, for my health, for everything, oh Allah, make me independent in such a way that it is your virtue that helped me rather than me depending on someone else. We depend on Allah alone.